Before you press record on the next video, you need to understand how much interest is there around that topic so you can create a good piece of creative content that is going to connect and engage with your audience. Before you press record on the next video, understand, are people searching for what you're creating? If people are not searching for it, then how are they going to discover you? So think about, what is your video going to do for your audience? Are you busting a myth? Are you sharing a perspective? Are you talking about a lesson or an experience that you've had? Because maybe that video that you are about to record is not for the brand new people, but for the people that already know you, like you, and trust you. The number one reason why you're not getting views on your videos is because you're talking about the wrong topics. All the people that are seeing your video are just not interested in what you're talking about. So if you want to start getting more views on your videos, talk about the topics that are interesting to you and to your audience. And those that are interested in that topic, they are the ones that are going to engage on your videos by liking, commenting, sharing, saving. If you want to start getting more views on your videos, then you need to start creating videos based around the topics and the interests of your viewers and your audience. So if you're not getting any engagement on your videos, have a look at what the topic is on your video. Before you press record on your next video, you need to understand why people are coming to your channel. What are you showing them? What are you educating them about? What aha moments and perspective shifts are you giving them? If you're not giving them a reason to follow you, subscribe to your channel, to like that video, then they are not going to engage on your channel or come back to watch any more of your videos. Because the people that love what you're talking about, they are the ones that are going to engage on your videos. They are the ones that are going to comment on your video. They are the ones that are going to share your video with a friend or a colleague. They are the ones that are going to save your video to come back and watch again and again. They are the ones that are going to comment on your video. They are the ones that are going to share that video with a friend. They are the ones that are going to save that video. And that is how you're going to get more views on your videos, by your community engaging on your videos. So if you're sharing a strategy on how to get more comments on your videos, so that is when people are going to start to comment more on your videos. So understand, what is your channel all about? What are the topics of your videos? And then press record. When you first get started on YouTube, you need to clearly identify the topics and the key words that your channel is all about. So if your channel is all about social media marketing, then the key words on your channel need to be social media marketing tips, social media marketing strategies, because those keywords are going to help YouTube clearly identify what your channel is all about. So they can bring the audience over to your channel, because that audience is already on the platform, who are interested in learning more about social media tips, strategies, marketing, because they're going to start to see you as an expert in your field. Before you press record on your next video, understand the keyword or the topic that you are wanting to talk about that has broad appeal and a lot of interest. So there's 3 broad niches that have mass appeal, which are health, wealth, and relationships. And those niches are also topics and keywords that you can inject into your videos. And one of the best ways for you to be getting natural, organic growth on your channel is to be optimizing your videos based on the search terms that people are looking for on the topic of your channel. So if your channel is about social media marketing and you're wanting to create a video about how social media marketing can transform your business, then the search term that you can optimize your video for is how social media marketing can transform your business. So when you get to understand who your ideal customer is and the questions that they are asking themselves, then you can create a strategy around answering simple questions that they are asking themselves. When your videos are optimized correctly, and especially for YouTube, and if it gets engagement, then your video, it can rank in the search engine, it can grow your business, build your brand, generate more leads, and you can start to get more eyeballs on you. So people can discover you, find out who you are, what you do, who you help, and how you help people. And it's a great opportunity for your channel to grow organically and for you to grow your business, because these questions are being asked every month by thousands of different people, not just locally, but nationally and globally. So you can build a global community from your videos. If you want to build your influence in the market that you are in, then you need to understand the key words that you are going to use, not just in your video, but in the title of your video, in the title tags of your video. If you want to build your brand and your influence in the market that you're in, then you need to understand the questions that your audience are asking. Because when you can answer those questions that your ideal audience are asking, then they are going to be attracted to you. They are going to subscribe to your channel. They will like your videos. They will comment on your videos. They will subscribe to your newsletter or to your email list. They are going to comment on your videos. These are the people that are going to engage in your content, because these people are more inclined to work with you because you've built that relationship with them. Before you press record on your next video, understand the key words that you are going to use in your video, not just in the title, but also in your script of your video, but also in the tags of your video. And why this is important is that the tag section of every video should include the key words that you are wanting to rank for in the search engines. And at the same time, you can use these keywords and the keyword phrases that you are wanting to rank for in the description of your video. And you can also use these keywords and keyword phrases in your script, because the algorithm is going to be listening out for these keywords to help you rank in the search engines. Before you press record on your next video, understand the keywords that you are going to be adding into the tag section of your next video. Because when you upload that video, you do not want to mix up the keywords in the tag section of your video, because they need to be specific to that video. So you can't be talking about buying a house in Brisbane and a unit in Melbourne, because they are two separate videos and you do not want to mix up those keywords in that video. So you need to be specific around the keywords that you're adding into the tag section of that video to give that video the best opportunity to rank in the search engines. Before you press record on that next video, make sure you've done your research around the keywords that you are wanting to be adding into the tag section of your videos and the keyword phrases that you are wanting to be adding into the description of your videos. Because when you've got clarity on who you're talking to, the problem that you are solving, then you're giving your video the best opportunity to rank in the search engines and to get views on your videos. During the research phase, before you press record on that video, you want to understand the keywords that you want to add to the tag section of your video, the keyword phrases that you're wanting to be ranking for in the search engines, and what the title of your video is before you press record. By simply understanding your keyword phrases and what you want your video to rank for is going to give you the best opportunity to be discovered and to rank in the search engines. You also want to have in the back of your mind what the hook of your video is going to be, what story you're about to share with your viewer, and what the call to action is, so you can tell your viewer what action you want them to take. And before you press record, just know how much competition there is for this topic and the title that you want your video to be. And one of the easiest ways for you to find out if there's enough interest in this topic is to head over to YouTube, type in what your ideal customer will be typing in to find out more about this topic, and see who else has been creating content based around that topic. Review those videos and reverse engineer the process and discover why those videos had 185,000 views in the last 3 years. Understand why people clicked on that video and what got them to engage on that video, and what was the hook, the story, and the call to action. One of the ways to see if the topic that you're wanting to talk about has broad appeal is to simply head over to YouTube and type in what they would be typing in to find out more about that topic. Have a look at the competition and have a look at the videos that have already been created about that topic. How old are those videos? What do those videos look like? Are they in focus or are they blurry? How many views do those videos have? How many likes are on those videos? How many comments are on those videos? If those videos are 3 years old or 5 years old and they've got 100,000 views on those videos, and if the information in those videos is still current and you've got a fresh perspective that you would like to share, then you may have just stumbled across an opportunity to recreate that video, because you know that that topic has a lot of interest and those videos are getting views all the time. Before you press record on your next video, you need to clearly identify the title of your video, so the topic that you're talking about has a broad level of interest, so your video can get in front of a lot of people who are interested in that topic. Before you press record on that next video, head over to YouTube, type in the topic that you are wanting to talk about, and take a screenshot of the results. Now take that screenshot and drop it over into a Google document because you're wanting to research what the other creators have done before you. You're wanting to see if the topic that you're wanting to talk about has enough interest and to see what the thumbnails look like. Because knowing what your topic is and what your thumbnail is going to look like is going to help you attract the click to get more views on your video. If you want your thumbnail to stand out, then understand what the title of your video is before you press record. Now head over to YouTube and type in that title that you want your video to be. Check out the results from that page. Look at the thumbnails. Are they all the same color? What color can you make your thumbnail to stand out from the rest of the crowd? Because when you post your video and your thumbnail, it's going to help you stand out because all the other thumbnails are just blending into one another. If you want to get more clicks on your video, head over to YouTube and type in the title of your next video. Research what the other creators have done before you. How old are their videos? What do their thumbnails look like? How many views are they getting on those videos? If you want to get more views on your videos, head over to YouTube and type in the title of the next video that you are wanting to create. How old are their videos? What do their thumbnails look like? And what are the titles of their videos? When you watch their videos, you might be able to take some gold out of their content and add it into your own content to create a fresh perspective because it's going to help your video stand out from the rest of the crowd and your thumbnail is going to be unique and different to get the click. So that's how you can start getting more views on your videos. One simple way to get more views on your videos is to head over to YouTube, type in the search term that you are wanting to rank for. Have a look at your competitors. What have they done before you? How old are their videos? What does their thumbnail look like? What is the title of their video? So what can you do to improve on their videos to recreate what's already been done before you? Before you press record on your next video, understand this. What can you learn from the other creators that have already created a video about the topic that you are wanting to talk about? Head over to YouTube and research what the other creators have already done. How old are their videos? What do their thumbnails look like? What can you learn from them to make your video better? When you research before you press record on that video, then your video can get 1% better than it was yesterday. So if you've got ideas about the types of videos that you are wanting to create, then go and research those ideas first. Verify that there's an interest level in those topics over on YouTube. Understand how many people are searching for these topics every month. You can use tools like Answer the Public, YouTube, vidIQ. Plan out the questions that you are wanting to create content around. Because you want your videos to stand out. You want your videos to get the click. You want your videos to get more views. You want to attract your ideal clients. So make sure that you go and research before you press record. Because if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So block out time in your calendar. Go and do the research first. Find out the types of questions that your ideal clients are asking themselves. And you can simply head over to YouTube to find out those type of questions that people are asking. You can go to Answer the Public, or you could use vidIQ, which is a paid resource. Then document and write down those questions, then research those questions before you press record. Because when you do this, you're positioning yourself for more opportunities, for more views, for more engagement, so you can outrank the competition that's already created videos before you.